Hey everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos, and today we're going to make a small table out of some Dollar Tree trash cans and a charger plate. The first thing you'll need is 2 of the Dollar Tree metal waste baskets that they have, a bag of the rocks or something similar that's just as heavy, a charger plate, you can pick any color you'd like, and some of the Dollar Tree rope. And this is the thicker kind of rope, like the nautical rope. The first thing you're going to do is remove the tags. And next I'm going to tip the trash barrel upside down. And I'm going to add some E6000 glue. And I'm also going to use my glue gun. So first I'm going to spread the E6000 around. And then I'm going to use my glue gun and spread more glue around. This will give it an instant stick, and the E6000 will give it a lasting bond. Next, you're going to place the other trash barrel upside right on top of the one that's upside down. Next, you're going to take the bag of rocks that we got and you're going to dump them into the bottom of this barrel on the top. This is just going to make the table more secure. Next, you're going to take the E6000 and you're going to wrap it around the rim, and you're going to use the glue gun and do the same thing. Then you're going to take your charger plate and center it into the top of the trash can and press down and hold until the glue secures. You can fill it more if you'd like with the rocks. That's fine. I only did 1 bag. I don't plan on putting anything too heavy on this table or using it as an everyday table for drinks and things. I'm actually going to use it as a plant stand. Next, I just took the rope and I wrapped it around the center where the seams are for the 2 trash cans, and I hot glued it into place. You can add more rope if you want. You can add decorations. You could add flowers. You could add a bow. It's totally up to you. You can pick any colors you want. This is totally a project that you can make your own and make it match your decor. I absolutely love the way this turned out, and total cost was $5. So you really can't go wrong, and actually I had most of the supplies on hand. I give you some examples at the end of this video of things that I have put on the table. I actually used it on my porch as a plant stand. This one was just a decorative one with a couple of decorations on it that's on my porch, but I then decided that I was just going to use it as a plant stand. I thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And please don't forget to sprinkle.